Leo. What you up to? How you doing, girl?
Hello, Dre.
You just talk to me?
Do you know what time it is?
What time is it? It's like 8:30. Why?
Do you know what today is?
June 9th?
Fly like a butterfly.
Leo, you scared me.
Sting like a bee. The more you know when you sip the tea.
Okay, you got some bars?
When eyes close, just take a rest.
What?
When open, you will see success. Sting like a bee. When you sip the tea, you will see success. Like a bee, the tea, success.
BTS.
BTS. BTS. Yet to come, the most beautiful moment. Official MV. The teaser seems emotional, but I don't know. Sometimes teasers don't even show like the actual. Maybe that's like I don't know. I don't just believe sometimes. Usually teasers are what you get, but sometimes I don't know. BTS be like tripping sometimes with the teaser. Sometimes I don't know. I'm a jug for my water. You know, your boy might be thirsty. Anyways, let's stop. Hopefully you guys like the intro. Shout out to Salvi for voicing Leo, who is the dog in this little intro. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. But anyways, without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. It looks so good already. You ever been so nervous? Big hit music. Let's go. Okay, we in the desert. Now they were wearing like their outfits were in past like comebacks and music videos. Obviously, for starting with I recognized on Jimin, but now we got JK. Ooh, okay. POV.
Was it honestly the best? Cause I just wanna see the next. 부지런히 지나온.
You saw how you looking at you? You saw how you looking back? Wait, hold on. Rewind. We need to take it all in. Look at that clear. Where is this? You ever just go to a desert with the ocean sounds and just sit down? JK has. Jungkook. Ooh. Okay, all white. Let's go. Okay, English. Let's go, Jimin. Damn, he looks so good. His voice though. Just get your ish. It's like an upbeat feel though. Okay. Ooh, how did I get affected by that? Damn. Okay. Ooh, you hear that? Ooh. True. As you should. Oh, okay, fine. You hear that piano? Ooh, okay, Jin. Oh, he said I got a truck. Bitch, no. Throw back. Let's go, Jungi. So looking in the past, but moving forward. New era. Bitch. Let's go. That's a piano. Oh my god. Yes, I wanted that hip hop. I needed that rap. It's like alternative rap feel. It's like alternative hip hop. Oh, the train. You know what this feels like? You know when you see your favorite show and they come back and have like a reunion thing, and then or like a rerun, and they go back like show a little bit of the past, and you just like feel the nostalgia. That's what it feels like. Yo, Lollapalooza. Let's go. about it. Oh. One bit. This man always playing games with me, bro. And he's looking, bro. I swear there is a lore between my bias and bias record because dead ass. Because look at that, Jimin reaching out to me in my mind, obviously. So then he's like, we reach. That's my man. Oh, oh sorry. These are all throwbacks. Oh, this is nice. It is emotional because look at the history that they made. The day we die. Probably the best. All the comeback MVs and stuff, all the lore, all the theories, bruh. Aww. Best. The more. I really want, like, listen. You know, I'm gonna talk afterwards. What's gonna happen? Wait, is it done? No, it's not. It's 1 more minute left, or less than a minute left. What are we gonna? What are we doing? What are we doing? In the bus. Bruh. Damn, why does this seem sad? But it's like they're moving forward, right? Or wait. Why does it seem like it's not the end? The most beautiful moment. Okay. There's a lot. Girl, there's a lot. This is a BTS and ARMY song. Miss like the old, like, just Korean. I miss the old, like, old school BTS too. I feel like a lot of people do, especially ARMYs. But there were like all these like hints of, like, of the past of like what they accomplished and stuff too. Like all the comebacks and stuff. Look, okay, let's go one more time. So JK in the desert. Like all the props too, the lyrics, location, the city. Can't believe I didn't even notice that. I can't believe I didn't even notice that. I can't believe I didn't even notice that. Is it just like that? Is it just like this? Is it just like this? Wait a second. Wait a second. Oh, they are in the same positions. Yeah. This literally makes me want to go back to each music video. You know what? Basically, this is what we're gonna do. I'm probably gonna go on Twitch, check out the album. Whew. Yo, stream this ish. Okay? Look up with it. These are all the clothes are from past like MV comebacks. Like every prop I feel happy. Like it's like nostalgic, but why do I feel? But like with the truck and everything, for all of this. Yet to come. The ancient bro. The day we die. Come. He always come through. Like the back vocal too with him. I mean like his voice. 2, 1. You already know. That shot's fire though. I like these shots specifically. The whole. And then the bus is what sold me, bro. The bus. No more dream era, bro. For the day we die. Oof, I love that line. I don't know why I like that. I just the way he just says it too. Is to come. See what's next. Woo. Aw, look at that smile, yo. Yeah? What's next? That's what I want to know too. It's yet to come. Oh yeah, I don't know why I thought it was like something that was gonna happen. It's kind of like going back to like their older songs too, and the way it sounds too. It's kind of like what I really like been wanting from BTS too. Like what they've been putting out is cool and it's dope, but this right here, memories. Like every shot is like a specific shot from a past like music video too. It's kind of crazy, like that. This part right here, about it. Like after J-Hook, about it. We ain't about it. About it. We ain't about it. We about it. It's obviously looking back on the memories and see how far they've grown and to literally grown to like superior, like legendary status. Just watching them grow is kind of crazy. And I was lucky to be able to do that. And just seeing how far they are going, they're not stopping this thing, how far they're going is. It's been like a movie. It's been like a movie. What's, real life. Put in the comments down below what you guys think for Yet to Come, the most beautiful moment. Damn. And then they released their album, right? If I'm not mistaken. I'm probably gonna go on Twitch. I'm probably gonna go through the whole album, like first listen. We definitely could go through like all the the hits for sure. I feel like I want to talk about it more on Twitch actually. I'm probably gonna do that. Just because I want to see you guys' input as well. And please do comment down below what you guys think of the whole album, the MV, the song, all the Easter eggs in there. Comments down below. Guys, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy JRE. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you put some hard work into it, it might just come true. If you don't follow me on Discord, link in the description. Let's talk about it. Anyways, till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.